Imagine an engine so loud it could wake the dead, and so iconic it could bring diesel enthusiasts to their knees. That's the Detroit Diesel 8V92. If you've ever heard that high-pitched two-stroke scream echoing across a truck stop, you already know. We're not talking about just another engine. We're talking about a legend that roared through the heart of American trucking history. And if you stick with me until the end, you'll understand why this beast is still turning heads today, and why it's not coming back anytime soon. So, what made the Detroit 8V92 such a standout? Well, first, it's in the name. 8 cylinders in a V configuration, 92 cubic inches per cylinder. That totals a massive 736 cubic inches of raw two-stroke fury. This wasn't your quiet, fuel-sipping modern diesel. No, this thing guzzled fuel like a sailor on shore leave and made noise like a chainsaw convention. But here's the kicker. It worked. And it worked hard. The 8V92 was part of Detroit Diesel's legendary 92 series, introduced in the 1970s, and built to power everything from semis and buses to military vehicles and even marine applications. It came turbocharged and intercooled in many variants, pushing horsepower ratings from 300 all the way to over 500, depending on how much you dared to squeeze out of it. Back in the day, if you wanted torque and didn't mind waking the neighborhood, this was your go-to engine. Now, I know what you're thinking. Two-stroke diesel in a truck? Isn't that just asking for trouble? Well, maybe. But it also meant instant throttle response, sky-high RPMs, and a soundtrack that made gearheads grin and environmentalists cry. The engine's simplicity made it easy to work on, but it had its quirks, like needing regular attention to stay leak-free and the kind of oil appetite that would make a refinery blush. Quick reset. If you've ever thought your pickup's V8 sounded good, wait until you hear an 8V92 hit full throttle pulling a grade. It's like mechanical opera sung in screaming soprano. But let's not get carried away. The 8V92 wasn't perfect. It smoked like a chimney, failed emissions tests, before that was even a thing, and couldn't keep up with the fuel efficiency demands of the modern age. And as EPA regulations tightened in the 90s, Detroit Diesel had to evolve. Enter the Series 60, and the two-stroke era began to fade. But the passion? That never left. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are still fleets and collectors out there keeping these engines alive. Why? Because once you've driven an 8V92, most modern engines feel like silent electric toasters. The visceral feel, the torque curve, the mechanical rawness, it's addictive. Like vinyl records or muscle cars, they belong to a time when machinery had character. And here's your cliffhanger. What if I told you that despite all the noise, the smoke, and the fuel bills, some are trying to bring the 8V92 back, not as a workhorse, but as a showpiece? Could we be on the verge of a Detroit diesel renaissance? Stick around. In the next video, we're diving into the wild world of custom builds and restored rigs running the 8V92 today, and what it takes to keep a two-stroke legend alive in a four-stroke world.